Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video, I'll show you a simple way on how to build a to-do list app. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then you're going to come across this platform, Glide. Glide is a platform that lets you create custom apps without coding. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Glide. You can choose to sign up with your Google or your email address. Once you have completed the sign up process, you will be directed to your Glide account. Now, to build a to-do list app in Glide, start by clicking on the New App button. A pop-up window will appear where you can enter your app name in the Name Your App field. Choose whether you want to build an app for mobile or large screens by selecting the respective options. For this tutorial, let's choose the mobile option and click on Continue. Next, select the source for your app from the given options such as Glide Table, Google Sheets, Excel, Airtable, or Import File. For this tutorial, we will select the Glide Tables option and click on Create App. This process may take some time, and once it's complete, you will be directed to the Glide editor where you can design your app. Once you are in the editor, navigate to the Styles section in the right sidebar. Click on the checklist option to change the app style automatically to a to-do list. Now you can customize the app's data according to your requirements. After customizing the app, you can publish it by clicking on the Publish button at the editor's top right corner. This will make your app accessible to others. Once the app is published, you will see a Share button at the top right corner of the editor. Clicking on it will give you multiple options to share your app, including QR code, link sharing, and inviting users via email. And that's it. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching, and take care.